Like in 2015 JEE, I had a feeling कि like इससे अच्छा कर सकता हूँ
जो कि सबको लगता है।
मैं फिर ड्रॉप करने के लिए गया कोटा लाइक एंड मैं सेकेंड ईयर के एंड में डिसाइड किया कि लाइक आई शुड राइट गेट CS and I took the course. You don't care about it. It's something like you're pass on it, and that mentality comes like anyway. I remember still like one day before the exam, a video by Ravi sir came and he said कि अभी preparation रोक दो.
So what was going on in your mind at the day of the exam?
क्योंकि लाइक एग्जाम के लिए सीरियसनेस बढ़ गई. तो आई वुड से थर्ड ईयर वो टाइम था जब कंप्लीटली मेरा ध्यान लाइक काफी हद तक मेरा ध्यान पढ़ाई पे था.
मेक और ब्रेक वाला.
Correct. And then I got a WhatsApp message from someone कि like results are out. I didn't open the page. I gave it to Himanshu. Like देख ले यार क्या है. Like I'm not able to do it. And then he opened it and said कि second आ गई है. I was like that happy and we both jumped and we both rushed towards your room. I remember that. So like we both rushed towards your room and we asked you. You said कि 90 आया है and we were all happy. But like 90 से वो एक dilemma start हो गया था.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Toppers Talk from the ML Hub. I am Srinivas and today we have a very special guest, a dear friend of mine and co-founder in ML Hub, Mr. Jay. So, hi Jay, how are you?
Hi everyone. Hi students. Thanks for having me on my own channel. It feels weird, but yeah. So today I'm like joining this video as a guest. So like yeah, like I'll be answering all the questions which you are asking me.
So in today's talk, so he is joining us as an interviewee and I will be asking questions about his past journey, about GATE 2019, his college life, our college life, and this year's GATE results, GATE 2025 DA, and his current role in Google, and what are his future plans. So, shall we start?
Yeah.
ओके तो अगेन लाइक ये एक अनस्क्रिप्टेड कन्वर्सेशन रहेगा. इट विल बी इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी एज वेल. सो डोंट फील शाय.
Since we are more comfortable in Hindi.
Yeah, you can say so that like we can have a unfiltered talk basically.
Right.
What do we have like between friends?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's start, like let's go back in time. We'll start from our college, from where we have done our bachelor's MBM engineering college. तो क्या मेमोरी है 2015 की when we started our bachelor's?
Okay. So like as you mentioned, like I did my BTech from MBM engineering college and I wrote JEE in 2015 जो कि ज़्यादा सही नहीं गया. Like what I felt.
For both of us, not only for you.
Yeah. So like I think like lot of students feel that way. Like after JEE ki like they could have done better. They like they can take a year drop or like all those things.
Okay.
So after like in 2015 JEE I had a feeling कि like इससे अच्छा कर सकता था मैं.
जो कि सबको लगता है.
हाँ, right. तो मैं फिर ड्रॉप करने के लिए गया कोटा like and like since we are starting from scratch, like I'll tell you that story. And like then I got to know like in 1 month I was not feeling that good. मतलब
Okay.
drop करते time like first time I was staying away from home.
Okay.
So I was not that comfortable in the environment. I was not feeling well. I was doing good in classes but मजा नहीं आ रहा था. Like वो interest नहीं था.
कुछ अधूरा सा लग रहा था.
हाँ, right. तो like I also used to check कि like what I'm getting in like JEE के rounds में. तो like in a certain round I filled the like Rajasthan का engineering admission process as well, and I got electronics in MBM engineering college. So I thought like I talked to my father and I just talked to him कि like instead of doing a drop I'll like to join MBM college because like the reputation of MBM college was very good that time.
It is very good.
It is very good right now as well.
Yeah.
So and getting electronics there was a good thing. Like I was not sure कि like एक साल बाद भी मैं क्या कर लूँगा, like how much rank will I get. I didn't want to waste an year and also I was not feeling well like doing the drop. So I joined MBM, took electronics and communication engineering, and फिर वही फर्स्ट ईयर जैसे स्टार्ट होता है like all students are together or we like have to study all the subjects, physics, chemistry, maths and like everything. So I there I liked it a lot, like the environment जो मेरे PG में था ड्रॉप के लिए versus the environment जो हमारे hostel में था.
It is
Right,
totally a
it's like
different environment.
because in Kota like there is pressure, like वहाँ पे जाके आप 6 महीने आपके जब एग्जाम्स ही नहीं है, like you don't have to study on day one, so you get that 15, 20, 30 day of window for creating friends, like creating bonds with different people in the hostel.
To get familiar with the environment.
Correct. That was a difference I think, क्योंकि वहाँ जाके day one से आप बस कोचिंग में लगे हो,
Right.
पर कॉलेज में जाके आप एक महीने बस like हम like पूरी रात मिनी मिलिशिया
आजादी मिली है पहली बार.
राइट. तो उस टाइम मिनी मिलिशिया गेम आया था, तो हम लाइक पूरे टाइम बस वही खेलते रहते थे पूरी रात. तो लाइक वी हैड अ सर्कल ऑफ 6-7 फ्रेंड्स. आई एम श्योर like till then like we were not that close friends. He had a different circle, I would like to point out. And I had a different circle. So mostly we came to know each other after like I joined CSE. So right now my branch is electronics, right? So yeah, like I like the environment much better. I was able to acclimatize myself. मतलब वहाँ पे environment और बहुत मजा आ रहा था. Like it's like crazy environment when you
प्रेशर कुछ नहीं था.
right.
लाइफ से सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज
Right.
वो थोड़ा रिलीज हो गया था.
करेक्ट. तो बट स्टिल लाइक जो फर्स्ट ईयर में मुझे माहौल समझ में आया कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की कुछ सीनियर से बात हुई, कंप्यूटर साइंस का मैंने, क्योंकि डिपार्टमेंट वहाँ पे दूसरी बिल्डिंग में था, दूसरे कैंपस में था, तो मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में भी क्लासेस ली, कंप्यूटर साइंस में भी ली, और फर्स्ट ईयर का मैंने सी प्रोग्रामिंग का कोर्स लिया. और मेरी एक्चुअली फर्स्ट ईयर में सिर्फ एक बैक लगी थी, वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में थी. तो like I got to know there कि I'm in the wrong branch.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स तो ना हो पाती.
right. तो I felt really bad that day कि like this is my branch and I was like scoring really good marks. Like generally maths में लोग fail होते थे. Like I secured really good marks in physics, maths, everything, computer science. But I failed in electronics. Although I like passed after re-evaluation, but that was the moment I realized कि like this is not the branch I fit in, and I'm not liking the concepts, diodes वाले और वो सारे, like it's very like, and on the contrary, I used to love C programming. Like I don't know what connection was there. I just like जो assignment आता था, जो मतलब कोई भी question आ रहा है, I just used to click, like it just used to click. Like
Logical
yes,
भी था.
it was highly logical. Yeah, correct.
बाकी
Yeah, it's not memory based.
we do have these theory subjects.
Correct. So I still remember in like one of the like classes when like the professor was teaching sorting, I created 2 to 3 sorting algorithms on my own, and like we were just thinking of ways on which like how you can sort an array.
Then mapped with these.
Yeah, then after he taught, then I mapped ki, yeah, this is selection sort, this is bubble sort.
Okay.
Like so I used to just connect, and like writing code was like I loved that. So but still like, so almost every colleges have that option of changing branch. So I thought ki like either I'll change branch here by getting a good rank, and parallelly I was also preparing for JEE mains again.
Okay.
But I didn't have to stay in electronics there. So I was preparing for JEE mains, and parallelly I was also trying to do well in BTech exams.
Okay.
Fortunately, my scores in first year were really good, and like I got transferred, like upgraded to computer science branch, and it was just interest back then. Like I didn't had a dream ki, I didn't had an like, because when I got admission in electronics branch, I accepted it with like open hands कि like electronics से करूँगा. After going there, I figured out कि like this is not the correct branch or the course for me, and CS subjects, coding is what I love. So then I decided, and like first year में like I changed branch to CS, like in third semester. But in third semester I had already taken all the classes in electronics. So just exams के पहले ही branch change होती है, वो हुई. But like my roommate Harshil was in second year, he was in computer science, And
he taught you then.
yeah, he taught me actually. he actually like anyways I was parallelly looking at all the computer science assignments. And digital logic was one subject which is common in both in
Yeah.
third semester,
Yeah.
electronics and computer
Yeah.
science. So that वो मुझे पहले से आता था like from electronics lectures. And I was anyways parallelly doing assignments with him for computer
Ashil
science.
से पढ़ने के बाद पास हो गए हैं थर्ड सेमेस्टर.
हाँ वो हुआ नहीं हुआ like मैं हुआ right. But like yeah, we used to love all those interactions. Like I used to love the assignments जो computer science में मिल रहे थे, तो मेरे को थोड़ा idea था. And we used to see some playlists. Like back then, online education was not that popular. Like in 2015-16, we are talking about.
Then you started with this gate prep and all in second
Yeah,
year
like,
itself.
I'll come to that. Before that,
Okay.
there was DSA also in third sem.
Yeah.
So we used to see some playlist. He used to see that, and I used to watch with him just for fun.
Okay.
Even though it was not in electronic syllabus.
Yeah.
So I already knew like some of the algorithms through those videos, like about like basic data structures, stacks, ka, linked list, ke basic operations. So I used to just watch them, and also I joined a coaching for C++. So that was helping me there. So but fortunately my branch got changed, and my third semester exams went really well. Even though like I had very little time for preparation. So that was the point I was really happy. और मेरे को ये समझ में आ गया कि ना अब मैं यहाँ इस कॉलेज में रहूँगा और मेरे को मेरे पसंद की ब्रांच मिल गई है. लाइक आई डोंट वो जो सेकंड थॉट था कि लाइक एक दूसरा कॉलेज एक बार और जेई ट्राई करना है, वो पूरा चला गया. लाइक नाउ आई विल फोकस ऑन सीएस हियर. तो
And then started with.
then fourth semester came, and like at the end of fourth sem I just like stumbled upon RBS sir के lectures. So I just took them, and I just watched वो वाले subjects पहले जो like they were already done in third and fourth sem, like digital logic, computer architecture.
Yeah.
I used to watch them,
The YouTube playlist basically.
the YouTube playlist, and I loved them, and I took the course like
Yeah,
without a second
yeah,
thought.
really
I just like thought कि like I explored about GATE exam, what it is, उसके आगे क्या opportunities होती है, और अपने कॉलेज का प्लेसमेंट सिनेरियो तुम्हें पता ही होगा.
बहुत ज़्यादा ही बढ़िया है.
राइट. तो लाइक वो आइडिया मिल चुका था एक कि एवरेज प्लेसमेंट क्या रहता है सीएस में या और ब्रांचेस में. सीएस में दो बेटर थे थोड़े, बट स्टिल लाइक दे वर नॉट दैट गुड मतलब उस टाइम के हिसाब से. और फिर मैंने कुछ लोगों से बात की जो मास्टर्स कर रहे हैं, और वहाँ के एवरेज पैकेजेस देखे. मेरे को लगा कि एक IIT टैग मिलेगा तो बहुत सही रहेगा, और गेट एग्जाम में ट्राई कर सकता हूँ.
Okay.
तो मैंने फोर्थ सेम के एंड में या सेकेंड ईयर के एंड में डिसाइड किया कि लाइक आई शुड राइट गेट CS, एंड आई टुक द कोर्स, एंड that changed the life completely. Like after that, parallelly I was studying for the core subject as well, and parallelly I was learning for GATE exam as well.
So after that point, the next moment that you remember today is the day of exam. Then.
yeah, actually yes. So yeah, actually like उसके बाद मस्ती कम हो गई क्योंकि लाइक एग्जाम के लिए सीरियसनेस बढ़ गई.
Yeah.
तो आई वुड से थर्ड ईयर वो टाइम था जब लाइक कंप्लीटली मेरा ध्यान लाइक काफी हद तक मेरा ध्यान पढ़ाई पे था.
Make or break वाला.
करेक्ट. तो मैं सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स और गेट पे पूरी तरह फोकस था. कॉलेज में अपने इतनी पढ़ाई अच्छे से हो नहीं पाती थी, लाइक हॉस्टल का माहौल लाइक यू नो. तो आई यूज्ड टू गो टू होम टू स्टडी जस्ट टू वॉच द लेक्चर्स. और जैसे महीने में मैं 5 दिन घर पे ही रहता था, तो उसमें मैं लेक्चर्स देख के आ जाता था, और फिर कॉलेज में या हॉस्टल में जब भी टाइम मिलता था टेस्ट देता था, बस प्रैक्टिस और टेस्ट.
Okay.
तो ताकि मतलब बैलेंस बना रहे, क्योंकि it was very difficult to study in hostel or in that environment. Yeah, but yeah, I used to love it, like giving the tests, and उसके बाद like I had a roommate Himanshu, like he knew कि I'm preparing for the exam. He used to be supportive in that decision. He also started preparing, but like algorithms के पहले टेस्ट में उसके 25 में से 4 नंबर आए थे, तो he stopped like after the first test. And this is the story I tell students ki like the difference between him and me is कि I continued preparation. मेरे भी बहुत कम आए थे. The test was hard, and generally in test series the tests are supposed to be hard because like they are there to prepare you for the final exam. So like don't get disheartened. Like कम आ रहे marks, it's okay. Like you have to continue preparation.
Yeah, that's true.
So like that's what I did. Like I finished all the subjects and wrote the exam in my final year. back then you were not allowed to write GATE in third year.
Yeah.
Only
Right.
final year GATE was there.
Now they are allowed.
But by third year, my almost like only 2 subjects were left, but the syllabus was finished. So in 6 months, 7 months only, I watched all the lectures. Only 2 subjects were left. So I tried GATE the paper in third year also, and I remember like I was getting 60-65 marks.
Okay.
I just attempted at my home, so I thought ki I can do it. Like that was the moment again ki that pushed me even harder for the one more year. Ki like अब बिना दो subject के like I'm getting this good score. So if I practice more and if I practice like the remaining subjects, I'll get really good marks. So after that, like I prepared for like one more year and finished the subjects and test series. I finished lot of tests. I wrote like the entire test series which was there with me, and I took one another test series. वो भी मैंने पूरी दी. So I gave all in all like I did lot of practice, and फिर like GATE exam happened on 3rd Feb, I guess.
So what was going on in your mind at the day of the exam?
Yeah.
क्या चल रहा था, मतलब क्या नर्वस था?
So
मजा आ रहा था?
as I said कि मेरी पढ़ाई हॉस्टल में नहीं होती थी, तो obviously
नहीं, पर जब तक तो हुई थी.
हाँ, like
preparation wise
हाँ,
होगा कि हाँ नहीं अब तो.
right. So like, but still like that is the reason I didn't take Jodhpur as my exam center. I
Okay.
took my hometown like Ajmer, and I went there and like surprisingly 7th sem exams तब तक हुए नहीं थे. Like our college is amazing in that way, but till February
Yeah,
the exams were not there, and like they shifted the exams after GATE exams so that like students can study. So that way it is good also, like the college is good कि आप सब अपना passion follow कर लो, exams will keep on happening. That's very chill I feel. So I 15 दिन पहले like GATE exam के I went home for preparation. Like I was very serious at that time ki and very focused. So I was like not connected to anyone at that time. I was just preparing last 15 days. और exam दिन का तो like I don't remember much, but yeah, like my father took me to the center. My mom was also there with me, so they dropped me there. It was like very far. My hometown is in Kishangarh and the center is in Ajmer, so they dropped me there, and I remember still like one day before the exam, a video by Ravi sir came and he said कि अभी preparation रोक दो. Like
होना वाला हो जाएगा.
हाँ, chill, because like if you're not able to study in 2 years or 1 year, 2 दिन में like you'll not remember much or like stress बढ़ेगा ही. And that I followed. Like I didn't study one day before exam, and going there I was not carrying any books or anything, just the admit card and pen with me. And when I went to the center, I saw like everyone just shuffling their notes. I think you must have noticed it. Like there are a few students who are very stressed and इतना मोटा book लेके बैठा है, like just 10 minutes before the exam. I don't know like what they learned from there at that time. But yeah, like I was very calm. I was trying to keep calm. Like it's not easy to do that, but yeah, I was trying to. And I went there. I saw a few of my few of the students from my batch also there, like who were writing the exam from Ajmer. So I met them before the exam, and the exam went really well. Like while writing also, like only I knew ki like it's going well. So
that feeling, like you know that like you did.
yeah, it's like if you watch that video by Neeraj Chopra ki when he hit that javelin,
He knew.
yeah, and he didn't even look how far it is going. He just turned around and he celebrated when he got the gold in last Olympics. So and someone asked him ki like how do you know? So like you just know, and like that feeling you will have like in exam also ki like after all the effort, like it's going well. So yeah, the paper went well, and again my mom did pick me up and we went home. And then the same night I came to campus, because after that I didn't want to be at home. It is like, so the last 4 months I didn't went to home at all.
So let us like move through across, like let's come on the day when the results were announced.
Yeah.
Just after you like got to know that.
Right. Yeah, so like our friendship I guess increased in third final year, like when we were in CS. Mostly it was
that time only.
yeah, like, and although you had a separate friend circle, but still, like I think studies, entire CS branch in that hostel used to do together.
Yeah, like just before the semester
Yeah,
exam.
so like
You
just
used to-
one night before the semester exam, it was like कि पूरा हॉस्टल जो सीएस का है वो एक रूम में बैठा है and सब सेम आंसर लिख के आने वाले हैं अगले दिन और बस किसको कितना याद रह रहा है उस पे है, right? So like those were the moments like our one the like friendship came in. And after the exam, before the exam only I knew you are also preparing for GATE CS, like seriously. Very few students in the batch are preparing seriously, so I knew like you are also doing it. So after the GATE exam, like I think that friendship increased even further because like for the last 4 months we were like both कि like rank क्या आएगा, college क्या लेना
We
है,
have like mentally decided कि हाँ
हाँ,
IIT भी जा रहे हैं.
हाँ और साथ जा रहे
Clear
हैं.
है अब हाँ.
हाँ बस अब ये कि रैंक किसका कितना आ रहा है, कौन कहाँ जा रहा है, वो वाला है. तो लाइक बट वो बहुत ज्यादा चिल पीरियड था. इवन दो सेमेस्टर दिए हमने 4 महीने में, 7th and 8th, बट वो एक एग्जाम अच्छा चला गया तो लाइक यू डोंट केयर अबाउट इट, इट्स समथिंग लाइक पास होना है एंड दैट मेंटालिटी कम्स लाइक एनीवे. तो क्योंकि प्रैक्टिकल्स में लाइक एनीवे यू लाइक इट्स जस्ट यू हैव टू पास द एग्जाम्स, राइट? And I think before the 7th sem exams only the result also came. Like it was 15th of March.
Yeah.
And yeah, so it was crazy moment. I remember like I the official date was 16th, but every year एक दिन पहले GATE used to publish the results.
Yeah.
And I was checking 15th को सुबह से ही like कि refresh करके like क्या आएगा. Although rank predictors से मेरे को एक idea लग गया था क्योंकि rank predictors पे भी generally second ही दिखा रहे थे हर जगह. So I thought कि like single digit आ जाएगी, like top 10 में आ जाएगी. So I was just refreshing and like around and then yeah, 7th sem exams were going on actually. The next day we had client server technology, I remember. I was not able to prepare for it. So they were preparing for exams and parallelly I was checking. So like then like I got a WhatsApp message from someone ki like results are out. And I didn't open the page. I gave it to Himanshu कि like देख ले यार क्या है, like I'm not able to do it. And then he opened it and said कि second आ गई है. So I was like that happy and we both jumped and we both rushed towards your room. I remember that. So like we both rushed towards your room and
I remember you two guys like running towards.
Yeah, and we asked you said कि 90 आया and we were all happy. बट लाइक 90 से वो एक डिलेमा स्टार्ट हो गया था कि लाइक मेरे को तो मिल जाएगा जो भी मिल रहा है पर तेरे को भी सेम कॉलेज मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. लाइक
अब मुझे याद है कि थर्ड राउंड तक वेट करना पड़ा था.
राइट.
एंड आई आल्सो सेड फॉर फ्यू ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज दिल्ली में अप्लाई करा था, कानपुर में अप्लाई करा था.
करेक्ट यू एंड IIT Bombay called us for like the campus visit.
Top 100.
Right, top 100 students. IISc top 60.
Yeah.
And IIT Bombay top 100. So
Arambh program.
Right, correct.
I'm not sure whether they used to run.
I don't know. Like back then they did it just
for the first time.
Popularity.
I guess our batch is for the first time.
Correct. And I don't know if they do it now or not. But
they have
yeah.
given T-shirts and all.
Right. So you had IIT Bombay T-shirt, but after third round, when the result came, we were in the cafe and having lunch. And just after when you got to know कि IIT Bombay मिल गया, you went to hostel and changed the T-shirt. उसके बाद 2 दिन तक वो IIT Bombay की T-shirt में घुमा था तू, like I remember.
तो उससे पहले पहन लो और फिर नहीं मिले.
Right.
Overt हो जाए.
And you were on borderline, like you were the last student who got.
Yeah, I remember 90 रैंक वाले 8 स्टूडेंट्स थे. तो 90 to 97 वो सारे सबको IIT भी मिला था. And the very next student whose rank was 97 वो मुझसे मतलब बात हुआ था उसको भी दिल्ली मिला था.
Got it, yeah.
90 वाले सारे उस टाइम आए थे.
So it was borderline and
and the difference was like 0.33 marks.
Correct, yeah. Like that used to be. And like the difference between me and first rank was 0.33 marks. So GATE exam is all about this. Try to make like less silly mistakes like that. I think that like it like the preparation in top 200 300 students is almost same.
Yeah.
It's like on the day of exam how you do it, like how many silly mistakes you make versus how many someone else
you like handle the pressure and all that all these things that are going in your mind उससे कैसे deal करते हो. और rest is like
correct
luck. फिर थोड़ा luck भी है.
like in top 50 top 100 like it's mostly luck and like how the exam goes at that day. So like yeah, like it happened well, like it turned out well for both of us. And after that, like when we got to know that we are going to the same college, the friendship even increased. I think like most of the time we were together,
Yeah, I remember we used to go every evening and every late night over a hilltop
yeah,
just to like have a view of sunrise.
correct. So every morning we were addicted to sunrise. Like all the friends used to go. We have pictures I'll share in this podcast. So like we used to go and sit there. So like that time it was really fun because it was like 1 year of hard work paid off, and now we don't care about anything. And that's how it should be. It's not that you have to be serious always. And those 4 months went really well. Like I remember, like that was the most fun time in my college life. And parallelly, I like before GATE exam I got a job as well in TCS. So that was a backup.
Yeah, I remember.
That was a backup, and I that was just ki if things didn't go well, I'll join and prepare again for GATE. But yeah, like things panned out well. I didn't have to use it, and then like we joined IIT Bombay, both of us. And yeah, from there new journey started. Like it was crazy.
So any memories कुछ IITB की memories like पहले हम जा चुके थे आरंभ वाले प्रोग्राम में.
Right.
When they called
I think
top
I
100
I think I picked IIT Bombay over IISc because of the campus, like the
ये सभी के साथ है.
right.
जिसे कॉलेज लाइफ चाहिए
Right.
और थोड़ा मतलब स्टडीज को लेके इतना ज्यादा सीरियस नहीं है,
Right.
वो सब IITB प्रेफर करते हैं.
Right. Like seeing us two, I don't think students will believe कि इन्हें studies पसंद नहीं है. But trust me guys, like it's not like
It's a mix combination of
correct.
दोनों बेस्ट चीज का कॉम्बिनेशन है वो बेसिकली.
Right. And the campus is fun. Like I just loved the campus vibe, the swimming pool, the ground. It's like
Also we have like crocodiles, these leopards, the Samir Hills,
Yeah.
and all the lakes, Powai Lake. We have like everything. The campus is complete.
Every day new news came कि like यहाँ पे snake spot हुआ है, यहाँ पे
लेपर्ड का आता था. We used to get email कि यहाँ H3 के बाहर लेपर्ड दिखाए तो 4-5 लोगों को साथ में लेके
correct. So yeah, the campus life was amazing. Very unluckily we didn't get to live it fully.
ठीक है, बस इतना भी था.
Yeah, 8 महीने हमने वो campus life जी वहाँ पे, and that was crazy. Like you unmatched experience, I think, for you as well. And it's like we used to see the differences between a regular tier 3 college and IIT Bombay, like every day. It's like the level of classes that are happening, and the ambience all around, the energy in students, like सब कुछ unmatched है. And like trust me, like guys, if you're in college right now and if you are not able to make up mind कि M.Tech करना है नहीं करना है, वो 2 साल की लाइफ ही वर्थ इट है. लाइक इट्स लाइक डोंट वरी अबाउट द जॉब. लाइक टैग मिल जाएगा, जॉब मिल जाएगी, सब हो जाएगा. बट आई थिंक द लाइफ इटसेल्फ इज वर्थ इट.
experience
the
and
experience.
the people
Right.
मिलते हैं वहाँ पर.
Correct.
The people used to meet over there.
Right.
The incredible
So
brains.
our BTech college was a regional college, and
Right.
it was a good college. People like like I think like everyone in our batch did good. आज सब अच्छी कंपनीज में हैं, सब अच्छे पैकेजेस पे है. No one can say कि like what decision is better. But I feel like वो 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो IIT का टैग, और वो पूरी लाइफ रहेगा. And that is unmatched.
वो हुमा थिएटर के अंदर
Right.
वो मूवीज देखना.
Correct. So there, yeah. I remember like every night, like 12 was, I don't know why they keep like 12 a.m. as the deadline of every assignment. And every day we used to have an assignment, and mostly like after the assignment we used to go to watch a movie like 12 a.m. at night. So like the three of us.
No matter मूवी कौन सा लगा है.
Right. Every movie we watched, and like it was just like the experience was crazy. And like credit goes to the professors as well, like the research which goes on there, and the academic syllabus. Just like watching 1 hour of class, like class के बाद ऐसा लगता था कि आदत तो समझ में आया नहीं. तो उसके बाद 2 घंटे क्लास में वापस जाके देखो कि क्या वो लोग क्या बोल गए.
1 घंटे की क्लास के लिए आपको 3 घंटा लगता था.
राइट. उस क्लास के बाद तो लाइक वो क्रेजी था, और लाइक अपने आप हो रहा था. लाइक इट्स नॉट दैट
flow था.
Correct. You are not the orchestrator of that program. It's like the colleges, the professors are.
Right.
And everything is happening smoothly on its own. Like
Mostly the first semester.
Correct.
Like from where we used to like come from a tier 3 college and to a IIT, वो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर लगता है टू एडजस्ट विद दैट पेस.
Right,
जिस
right,
पेस
right.
के साथ सब चीजें चलती है वहाँ पे वो बहुत ज्यादा वो है कि
Correct,
you
है
have
ना?
मिड सेम से असाइनमेंट्स और वो तुम्हें आते ही
Right,
कोर्सेज
right.
लेने हैं, प्रॉफ चूज करना है. नेक्स्ट जो सेमेस्टर है उसमें आपका सेमिनार होगा, उसके लिए आपको डिसाइड करना है कि
पहले
किसके
prof-
अंडर आपको
हाँ,
आपको
prof से
सेमिनार
बात
लेना है.
Correct,
तो वो
correct.
चीज बहुत ज्यादा पेस पे होती है.
राइट.
तो
एंड बीटेक कॉलेज में क्या था कि 6 महीने बाद एक एग्जाम देना है.
6 भी नहीं हो तो 8 हो जाते थे. So let's discuss about the MTech curriculum that we have. Like we both are from IITB, so we can talk briefly about the curriculum that.
So not just IIT Bombay, I speak about all colleges. Like ISC में like we used to hear कि there are 3 different domains in which courses are sitting, and generally like जैसे इस बार topper stock भी की हमने, like students are confused like how should we choose, like which particular domain of expertise we need to opt in.
I like
All in all, like you get resources, a lot of resources, and now what I've heard from a few students who just did MTech from IIT Delhi, the number of resources and the investments in AI have increased a lot.
okay.
So it's, and this is one thing I have to tell you, even if you're doing your masters in ML AI, and if you want to get into top companies, it's not that they will just ask you ML questions. Almost every top company, even for ML roles,